a brilliant wireless video which can give you feed on your iPad, on your iPhone, on your Android devices up to 200 meters, because I just now tested it. It really goes that far. And then you have a wireless monitor with that, you have receivers with that if in case you want to put it on your monitors. So a brilliant solution, and I'm making this video after trying it to the limits, and I think it's a very good device to recommend. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Pyro S Hollyland wireless video system, and then how to configure Pyro 7 wireless monitor with that, as well as how can you have wireless video on your iPad, on your iPhone or Android devices as well. So these are designed well, having plastic body but a very good quality plastic, and then it both transmitter and receiver take NPF battery to power on, as well as they have DC power adapter, DC power connector which gets locked on, and both transmitter and receiver are having SDI and HDMI connector, so you can use these transmitters basically with the bigger cameras like FX6 and Canon C300 as well. I'm not going to tell you that you can put these transmitters on with ARRI cameras or with big cinema cameras. Why? Because the latency on this wireless video system is 50 microsecond, and on those cameras we are using cinema lenses and they need to be wirelessly focused as well. So 50 microsecond latency is not good for pulling wireless focus, to be honest. Let me just walk you through the menus first of all, and then I will show you how you can pair the transmitter with receiver, with wireless monitor, and then how you can have your video from your transmitter on your iPad or iPhone as well. So let's just jump into it. On the front of transmitter and receiver, you have two up and down keys to toggle between the menus, and then the middle button is for the selection and going back as well. Once you put your battery and turn it on, you will have something like this on your screen. As you can see, I have no video because SDI and HDMI are not connected at all, but when I will put it on my camera and I connect SDI or HDMI with this, I will have the resolution and frame per second of video shown here. Under the resolution and frame per second, you have channel number, and if I want to toggle between the channel number, what I can do is I can just come here and click on the top or bottom button. Now on the left side you can see the battery status first of all, and the other three things I will show you in the menus so you can understand better. So to go to the menus, you can see the middle button, you have to long press it once so you can really go in menus, and then to do the selections and go back you just have to press it once. So I will long press. There you go, we have the menus, and first of all we have scene mode. Let me enter it. It's showing us HD mode and smooth mode. What does it mean? HD mode is the mode where you have a good quality video but the range is gonna be limited, and smooth mode is where your video quality will be a bit compromised but you will have a longer range. I will keep it on HD mode for now, and I will go back by going on return, and then I will go to group pairing. This is really related to your pairing with transmitter and receiver. So when I go inside, you have group A, B, C, D, E, F, I, and then return. So whatever the group you choose here on transmitter, you make sure that it is the same on your receiver and on your wireless monitor as well. Now you can see it's showing F. So this is the second thing which shows on screen, the group name. And after that I will go back to the menus again. I will go on the broadcast mode. So what is broadcast mode? In broadcast mode you can have 4 receivers connected to your transmitter on the same time, but you will not be able to connect any of iPhone or iOS or smartphone devices through the app. So if you want to have the app, you need to make sure that it is off, and if you don't want to have the app from your phone connected to your transmitter, you can just turn it on and have 4 wireless receivers. But for me, I will keep it off because I'm gonna connect my iPad with this, and I'm gonna have the video on my iPad just to show you guys. So I will keep it off. Frozen frame is if you lose feed on your transmitter or receiver, what will happen is the last frame on your receiver will stay displayed all the time. After that you have net info. Net info is where you have your Wi-Fi settings. So you can see your Wi-Fi name and the password here, which is very important for you to connect to your smartphone app. So I will return, I will go down, and you have factory reset. In case somehow your transmitter and receiver is not working and acting weird, you can just come here and reset and it should be working fine. And version info is where you can see the firmware version of your transmitter or receiver. Let's just pair now. So on my transmitter, I will come here and I will make my group A. and then I will go back. On my channel I will make it 7, just you can choose any. Now I am on my receiver, I will just turn it on. It will take like 5 to 10 seconds to turn on, and when it's on you can directly see the signal there. It's saying there is no signal if you see. So what I will do first of all is, I know that my transmitter is on A and channel is 5, so if you are on the same group it will automatically detect the channel on the receiver. So that's a good part with the receivers. And why do we have channels then? Because sometimes there is interference in these channels, so you can go on your transmitter and change the channel to have a good frequency bandwidth. And menus wise it's all same as you can see, and menus wise it's all same as you can see. I will show you how you can connect your iPad through Wi-Fi with the transmitter, so you can see the video on your iPad or iPhone through the Hollyview app. Let's just start that. So on my iPad I will just come on Wi-Fi first of all and go to my Wi-Fi settings. And when I will open the Wi-Fi settings I will have to wait till my transmitter shows up, which is this one. I will click on this, and the password is always 1234567 8. I will join, and there you go, I am connected now. And then after that you need to make sure that you have the Hollyview app, which I will show you how it looks like. I will search for Hollyview. This is the app. I will open it and I will click on connect. There you go, I'm in a playback mode. So if I play back any video now, let's say this is the video which I'm doing, there you go. And if I wanna go live, let me go live. There you go, I'm just recording the menus now. Now let me set up the Pyro 7 wireless monitor, and then we will pair it with the transmitter. After that we will go out. We will test the range with the wireless monitor first of all. Then on our iPad through the Wi-Fi we will see how far we can go and how good the video is gonna be. So let me just show you how we set it up. So to set it up, we open it first of all, and on mine I have this beautiful wireless monitor and it is having a lot of functions, and I'm gonna make a full video about that, but I'm just gonna show you the basics for now. I will put the antennas. I will put the battery on this at the back of this. When it will come from Hollyland, it will not be a V-mount battery. I have changed this battery plate for my configuration, but with you will have 2 NPF battery plates at the back, so you can put NPF batteries. So for me I will put the V-mount battery for now. There you go, I have the battery now. Now I'm going to turn it on and pair it now, but on my transmitter I don't have video for now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect HDMI cable of my transmitter to my laptop and see the DaVinci screen on this, so I can have some kind of display when I will pair it. So I will turn it on. I will connect the HDMI cable of this transmitter, and then when it boots I will show you the settings. So it takes like 10 to 15 seconds to boot. There you go, it's on now. And to show you the settings I'm gonna record it on my phone because I'm only having one camera which I'm recording on now. So I will go to my camera of my phone. I will come on my settings. So you can see the settings here now. It's on receiver and transmitter first of all in wireless. So on wireless I need to be on receiver, and then we know that my transmitter here is on A group. So I will go to A group, and then it should automatically detect the channel. If it doesn't, I will go to channel 5. So let it go, and it's on channel 5 now. I turn off, and there you go, the video is there which my transmitter is getting from my DaVinci screen. So this is how you set up your wireless monitor, which is super easy. To be honest, everything in Hollyland workflow is super easy. Now to test the full range of our transmitter with wireless monitor first of all, and then our iPad, let's just go out. It is super hot here, to be honest. I'm done with pairing. I came out just to see how far away I can go from here, from my transmitter. I'm not in broadcast mode, so I would have 400 meters as per Hollyland, but I'm expecting to have at least 200 meters because it's a very busy area. So let's just go far away and see how good the feed is from at least 200 meters. I'm gonna walk further away. Now I am 100 meters away from the phone. I will show you where it is. So that is my camera right there. It is at least 100 meters. The video is still looking good. Oh, I lost it on my wireless monitor and it came back because the monitor is not placed well. But I'm gonna keep walking away. Almost 150 meters away I am. Guys, I'm at least 250 meters away from my camera. It is so far from here. I can't see the camera now, but I know where it is. And I still have very good feed on my wireless monitor, and my Wi-Fi is coming and going, as you can see. But still it's holding after 250 meters. It's not a joke. It's very good, to be honest. I'm on a very busy space. People are there, and we have trees and we have a lot of metals as well, to be honest. So not a bad device at all, not a bad wireless video at all. So I would highly recommend to go for it, because I've been doing VT for a long time and I know in this kind of places it can lose video, but it held very well. So a good one. I'm sorry, the camera is a bit overexposed because I don't have time to adjust the exposure. There you go. Super awesome. I would highly recommend this, to be honest. And I'm sweating because I'm in Dubai and it's super hot. Not a bad device at all, guys.